Welcome to Business Hackathons Project Developers. I'm ANUSHA Christopher. My project program theory contains business statistics, business units, business concepts, business formulas, and business contents. You're watching Business Hackathons Project Developers March Sessions 2023. Today's session topic is Business Projects Concepts. Money. Money is a form of verifiable record that is generally accepted as payment for goods and services and repayment of debts such as taxes in a particular country or socio-economic context. The primary foundations which distinguish money are as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, a store of value, and sometimes a standard of deferred payment. Music. Music is generally defined as the art of arranging sound to create sound. Combination of form of harmony, melody, rhythm, or the otherwise expressions contained. Exact definitions of music vary considerably around the world, though it is an aspect of all human societies, a cultural universal. While scholars agree that music is defined by a few specific elements, there is no consensus on their precise definitions. The creation of music is commonly divided into musical compositions, musical improvisation, and musical performance. To the topic itself extends into academic disciplines, criticism, philosophy, and psychology. Business, particularly owned for-profit corporation, can be either private held by a small group of individuals or publicly held with publicly traded shares listed on a stock exchange. A cooperative or corporate is limited liability business that can be organized as for profit or not for profit. A cooperative differs from a corporation in that it's a members, not shareholders, and they shown decisions making authorities. Corporations are typically classified as either consumer cooperatives or worker cooperatives. Cooperatives are fundamentally to the ideology of economic democracy. Gold. Gold is a chemical element with the symbol Latin atomic number 79. This makes it one of the higher atomic number elements that occur naturally. It is a bright, slightly orange-yellow, demi-soft, malleable, and technical metal in the pure form. Chemically, grit is a transition metal and a group of elements. It is one of the least reactive chemical elements and is solid under standard conditions. Gold often occurs in free elemental as nugs or grains in rocks, units, and alternative deposits. It occurs in a solid solution series with the native element silver naturally linked with other metals like copper and platinum and mineral inclusions, such as within Puritit. Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is a major form of Indian classical dance that originated in Tamil Nadu. It is one of the 8 widely recognized Indian classical dance forms and expresses South Indian religious themes and spiritual ideas, particularly of Shaivism and in generally of Hinduism. Descriptions of Bharatanatyam from the 2nd century AC can be found in the ancient Tamil epic Silappadigaram, while temple fossils of the 6th to 9th century suggest it was highly refined performance art by mid-1st millennium SC. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance tradition in India. Bharatanatyam is the state dance form of Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam continues different type of banis or traditions in Tamil terms used to describe information technology. Information technology is the use of computers to create, process, store, return and exchange all kinds of data and information. It forms part of information and communications technology. An instructor technology system is generally an information system, a communication system, or more specifically speaking, a computer system including all hardware, software, and particularly equipment operated by a limited group of IT users. Email, the technology and services it provides for sending and receiving electric messages, call letters or electric letters over distributed including global computer network in terms of composition of elements and the principle of operation electric email. Practical repeats the system of regular borrowing both the terms. Mail, letter, envelope, attachment, box delivery and others. And characteristics features ease of use, message transmissions, delays, sufficient reliability and at the same time no guarantee of delivery. Canadian dance. Canadian dance encompasses various dance forms of popular and native to the agricultural county of the Central Hills region known as Variable Udarata in Sri Lanka, which have today spread to other parts of the country. It is an example of Sinhalese culture in Sri Lanka. According to the legend, the origin of the dance in a dance ritual known as the Kumbha Kakaria, which is also known as Kumbha Kakaria or Kakaria. Traditional dance masters believe that originally the king of place referred to as Malia Rata and his two brothers performed the first Kumbha Kakaria. Some believe this Malia Rata was located in India. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, formerly known as Ceylon and officially the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, is an island country in South Asia. It is in the Indian Ocean, southwest of the Bay of Bengal and southeast of the Arabian Sea. It is separated from the Indian subsequented by the Gulf of Mannar and Batik. Sri Lanka shares a maritime border with India and Maldives. Sri Jagannath it is legislative capital and Colombo it is largest city and financial center. Sri Lanka has a population 21 million in 2020 and it is multinational state home to diverse cultural languages and ethics. The Sinhalese are the majority of the nation's populations. The Tamil, who are the large minority group, have also played an influential role in the island Israel. London. London is the capital and largest city of England and the United Kingdom with a population of just under 9 million. It stands on the River Thames, southeast England and the head of a 50-mile, 80 kilometers, estuaries down to the North Sea and has been a major settlement for 2 million. The city of London, it is anxious core and financial center, was once founded by the Romans as Londinium and retains its boundaries. The city of Westminster to the west of the city of the London as for centuries hosted the national government and parliament. Since the 19th century, the name of London has also referred to the metropolis around this core, historically split between the countries of Middlesex, Kent, Hertfordshire, which since 1961 has largely comprised Greater London, which is governed by 33 local authorities and the Greater London authorities. Thanks a lot for watching my program Business Hackathons Project Developers. I will see you next episode of Business Hackathons Project Developers. I'm logging off for now. Stay genius, stay smart, be in touch with good friends, stay away from bad friends, meet your friends in occasional times, be kind with everyone. God bless you. I am ANUSHA Christopher.